The following contest is a boiler room match, and the only way to win is by pinfall. Introducing first.
In this day and time, the strong survive, and there ain't no one as strong as I am. And I waited in the longest line for the longest time. Now this moment's mine. The plow down over land.
From St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 157 pounds, Bill Silax. And from Anchorage, Alaska, weighing in at 177 pounds, Borris Frost.
You stabbed me. No. As I recall, you started this.
But you stabbed me. I hit you with a plastic bin and you stabbed me. That's not cool. We could have worked things out, but no. Shank. Stabbed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! To start off the match, Borris Frost out of nowhere, that super kick. Oh my god! Now both men are dramatically down. He could have went for the pinfall right there. That would have been it. Oh my god! Oh my, is he? No way! No! 1, 2, 3. Oh, are you kidding me? Shortest boiler room match in history. That was a solid minute. And from super kick to pinfall, that was probably a good 30 seconds right there. Oh my god. And I guess that settles this rivalry. We started as a random. They were just set as a random team. And oh my god. What the heck, man? Oh my god. I'm just lost as everyone else here. Bill, it's over. It's over. It's over.
We're gonna try it again. Without botching it.
Oh my god. And that was another super kick. Borris Frost making a big statement. The match is over.
I'm done here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Again, shortest boiler match in history. Oh. He's leaving. Oh my god.